Imagine serving our country in a challenging environment and receiving an extra financial benefit for your dedication. This benefit helps ease the burden of deployment for many service members. It is a significant way our nation supports those who put themselves in harm's way. The Combat Zone Tax Exclusion, often referred to as CZTE, works by making certain types of military pay tax exempt from federal income taxes for service members deployed to designated combat zones or qualified hazardous duty areas. The core mechanism behind this exclusion is fairly straightforward. If you are a member of the United States Armed Forces and serve in an area designated by executive order as a combat zone, or in an area in direct support of military operations in a combat zone, then your active duty military pay earned in that area becomes exempt from federal income tax. This includes basic pay, hostile fire pay, imminent danger pay, and even re-enlistment bonuses received while in a combat zone. The exclusion applies for any month during which you serve even one day in a combat zone. Practically speaking, this means you will typically see this exclusion applied automatically to your pay while deployed. It is important to remember that while federal income tax is excluded, the treatment of state income tax can vary widely, so checking with your state's tax department is always a good idea. Also, this exclusion generally applies to military pay, not to other types of income you might have. An interesting detail is that for enlisted members and warrant officers, the Combat Zone Tax Exclusion is unlimited. For officers, however, the exclusion is capped at the highest rate of enlisted pay plus any hostile fire or imminent danger pay they receive. Furthermore, income excluded under CZTE is generally not counted as earned income for the purpose of calculating the Earned Income Tax Credit, which can be an important consideration for some families. Ultimately, the Combat Zone Tax Exclusion provides a tangible financial advantage, reducing your federal income tax burden during deployments to dangerous areas. Understanding how it works ensures you can confidently manage your finances, knowing that your dedicated service is recognized and rewarded through this important benefit.